This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together. Just like you, you're just like us, and we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
I'm going with Mummy to pick Tim up from school. Come on. New glasses. I haven't been back here at school for 8 days because I had appendicitis. I had to have an operation to make me better.
You tired?
A bit. Mummy, what if Kerry's got a new best friend? Because I haven't been there for a bit.
Oh, Topsy, I'm sure she won't. You two are BFFs. You're best friends forever.
Hiya, good to see you, Topsy.
Glad you're better. Oh, there's the bell. We're coming out.
Binda! Hi, Topsy. Hi, Binda. How's your tummy? It's okay, thanks. It just hurts when I move too fast.
Topsy, hello. So lovely to see you. How are you?
Better, thanks.
Good.
I just walked all the way here from my house.
Good. And when are you coming back to school?
Oh, well, next week, we hope, Mr. Morris.
Well, we will all be very pleased to have you back.
What was it like at hospital? It was quite cool, and I coloured in a mask. Hi, Mummy!
Hello.
Hi, I'm hungry.
Oh, okay, I've got you some apple rings. Oh, she's just over there. There you go. Have you had a good day?
Yes, great. Thank you. Kerry! Topsy! Mum, do you like my new glasses?
Oh, I love them, Tim. They look good enough to eat. Can I have a munch?
I want these glasses too. See why I have some apple rings? Hi, Topsy. I'm just going to have one. I can see everything a lot better. You didn't know that. Are you still best friends with me, Kerry? Yes. Are you still best friends with me? Yes, yes, yes. Best friends forever. Best friends forever.
Topsy, be careful. Don't jump around too much. Your tummy's still getting better,
Okay,
remember?
Mummy.
Oh, sorry, I'm late, Kerry. Hi, Joy. Oh, I love your new glasses, children.
They look super cool.
They do.
I'm going to the optometrist to collect my proper glasses. They're blue.
Sounds exciting.
Mummy, I don't feel like walking all the way to the optometrist. I don't feel like walking to the bus stop. I'm tired. I want to go home.
Oh, Topsy, I know, darling. But maybe if you have another apple ring, it'll give you enough energy.
Maybe.
Well, why doesn't Topsy come with us? We're going to the new Pottery cafe on
Good
the high
idea,
street.
Mummy.
Yes,
Can
and then you
I?
and Tim can join us later.
Oh, yes, that's great. Please, Sybil, please, Mummy. Please, Joy.
Dominique, that would be amazing. Thank you.
Yay!
Oh, Topsy, please take it easy, okay? Will you look after her for me?
Of course.
Okay, we'll only be about an hour. All right?
All
Thank
right.
you so
See
much,
you
Dominique. See you there.
Bye.
Right, should we go and
Bye.
get the bus?
I can't wait for you to see my new blue glasses.
Exciting.
Oh, I can see a bus coming now.
Can you? What number is it? Can you see the front?
It's all fuzzy, Mummy.
Oh, of course it is. Well, look, everything will be all right and you'll see much clearer when you get your new blue glasses, won't you? Okay.
Oh, it's the T42, Mummy.
It is.
It's the bus we need.
Brilliant.
My bus drops us off right outside the opticians. It's been nearly a week since my eye test with Mrs. Gathari. See who's in there.
Hello again, Tim.
Hello. I brought my mum this time.
Hi.
Is Topsy feeling better?
Oh, she's much better, thank you, yes.
She's gone to the Pottery Cafe with her best friend, Kerry.
She has, and when she's fully recovered, I'll bring her here to have her eyes tested too.
Lovely. Tim, you must be here to collect your new blue glasses.
Yes, please.
Let me go and get them for you.
Look, so in there,
Yeah.
that's where I got my eyes tested. And this is where I chose my new glasses. Look at all the frames.
Oh, wow. Tim, would you like to come and have a seat here for me, please?
Oh,
You can try on your new glasses. Here we go. I'll pop them on for you. There we go. Should we go and show Mummy and have a look in the mirror?
a minute.
Oh, wow.
Do I look good, Mummy?
Oh, they look amazing. Tim, you look so grown up. They're great. Are they comfy?
Yeah.
They look amazing. Right, we need to get the J33 bus, because that's the one that will take us to the new Pottery Cafe.
Okay. Oh, I'll swap the J33 for you, Mummy.
Okay. Put your glasses on.
The optometrist said I only need to wear my glasses to see things that are far away. Oh, what does it say?
Can we see?
H22. The H22.
The right one, is it?
No.
Okay, let's keep looking. Your new glasses look really smart. Wait, there's another one, hang on.
This one says... Yes, that's the J33.
It is the J33, brilliant. Okay, you stand this side and I'll flag it down.
Oh, hi.
Well spotted, those new glasses are really helping, aren't they?
Read it.
Okay, I'm gonna go in first. Good boy.
Tim! Hi! Hiya. Let's see your new glasses. One. Where are they? Ta-da! I like them. Wow, you look different. I really like them. You look clever, Tim. Got a face. I showed Topsy and Kerry funny things I can do with my glasses. And now, for the new. Topsy Oakdale is a silly pink. Hey,
Tim, be careful with your glasses because they'll break easily.
Oh, I will mind. Here they go. Stop laughing. No laughing in my school.
What would you like to eat, Tim?
We've had to. The menu's up there on the board.
Come and sit down, Tim. Have a look at the blackboard. Good boy.
Can I have a cheese and tomato sandwich, please? With my glasses on, I can read the blackboard really easily, even though it's a long way away.
Thank you. I'll have a cup of tea, please. Thank you.
Tim, do you want to see what we've been doing? I painted a plate. And I painted a cute little dog, look. I think it'll be a perfect present for Grandma's birthday. Oh, great idea. But you're not using any really bright colours. That's because when we're finished, they get fired. That means they go in a really, really hot oven. And then they turn into their proper bright colours. I showed Tim how the colours will end up after they're fired or cooked. Oh, they are much brighter. Do you want to help me finish off the doggy, Tim? Oh, yes, please.
Great idea, Topsy. Do you want a paintbrush?
You can use any colour. Let's do, can we do that colour? Here you go, that's...
Oh, look. There's Dad.
Oh, hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Oh, Dad, look. Look at my new glasses.
Oh, Oh, wow! They look great on you, Tim.
Where are you going, Dad?
Well, Grandma just rang and gave me some bad news.
Oh, what is it? What's the bad news? And that's when Dad said, Grandma's had to take Mossy to the vets, Topsy and Tim.
Grandma's had to take Mossy to the vets, Topsy and Tim. The vet's going to do some tests to find out why Mossy's still poorly.
Will Mossy be okay?
I hope so. Mossy's an old dog, Topsy and Tim, but she's in the best possible place she can be.
Poor Mossy. Poor Grandma.
Yeah. I'm going to go to the vets now and help Grandma. She's very worried.
Can I come?
Oh, no, come here. That's very sweet, Tim, but there's too many of us and I think we might just get in the way. OK? You wait here. I better get going.
Okay.
OK.
I hope Mossy gets better soon.
Yeah, so do I.
Hey, I'll tell you what, Tim. Why don't you put your new glasses on and wave at me as I toot down the road?
Yeah. Okay.
That's a good idea.
Can I as well, Dad?
Yeah.
Do you want to put your pretend glasses on?
Yeah.
Step back.
I can do it. I've got real glasses. Bye, Dad. Bye. Bye. Bye, Dad. Bye. Bye. And that said, Dad's car was that.